Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for the time given to me. My name is Angela Samut. You can call me Jenny. I came nursing class 2028. The first, here I am going to read a text on how to lose weight using positive reinforcement. It's very easy to have a positive attitude when you first stand a weight loss plan. However, maintain a sense of enthusiasm throughout the duration of the programs is another story. Behavior a negative medicine can cause you to sabotage your health efforts. Losing weight does come with challenges. Finding positive way to deal with the difficult moment can help you set your weight loss goals. Set realistic goals. Having impractical expressions regarding how fast you feel lose weight can easily subverting your motivation. The University of Maryland Medical Center recommends losing 1 to 2,000 per week for safe and long-lasting weight loss. Consider the gains you will need to make your to live start to meet two marks. Go for example. To lose 1 pound body weight, you need to cut or burn 3,500 calories. Determine how you feel. Split that between your exercise and hunting plan. 5. Something positive to say to yourself, everybody, about your efforts. Take your progress in array or computer generals. Record your miles and snack for icing along the track Indonesia of your forecast. Review your list to sure breaks. Give yourself a pat on the back for sticking with it and progressing forward. Identify the emotional trigger that you to feel negative so you are able to turn bad habit into a positive. Can determine beat yourself of when you walk so of your goals. And understand that you need to easy ignore your says commitments. For example, to ensure you have the proper time to for out, be proud of yourself for releasing the clans and how to go about facing it. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. When you are feeling down or negative, your friend or family can help to transfer your positive attitude by reminding you of the progress of have made thus far. Elite did of encouragement form rescue help to lift your spirit and raise your motivation. Recognize and celebrate your achievement. Losing weight and can be difficult process. Getting my few stones and rewarding yourself when you meet then can help you remain positive during your journey. Spring for a noun for village, treat for every 5 pounds you lose, for example. Create your own incentive plan to help you save to your sim sexual or treat yourself to amazing message after a month of health hitting. Okay, use of sentences using can's cool will. Number 1. Modal can still teach the ability or ability in the present from the four can be used in negative, positive sentences. And Gwenson text example can. 1, 2. You can stay with me. 2. I can treat the patient well. 3. Next taken help Dr. Johan for Nurse Rio can provide direction to the patient. 4. Nurse Daddy can provide direction to the patient. 5. He can speak English. Okay, number 2. Modal call used to express past capability. Past form example call. 1. You call see a doctor. 2. I call 2, 3 help you. 4. We can go on a picnic. 5. We could take the airport the board. Number 3. Modal fusion from this is from subtinous things. Example will when I took the motor the patient the will operate. Number 4. The patients will be desire help from Benboy Hospital. Number 5. He will hand transaction dorsal. Thank you.